In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your WhatsApp account was hacked. We'll walk through checking your account for suspicious access, taking back control if someone got in, and then locking things down so it doesn't happen again. Keep your phone nearby and follow along. Start by opening WhatsApp. If you already suspect something's off, like messages you don't remember sending or logins on devices you don't recognize, this quick check will help confirm it. Once you're in the app, head to Settings, then tap Linked Devices. This screen shows every computer or browser that's currently connected to your WhatsApp. If you see anything you don't recognize, or even devices you used once but no longer need, tap each one and choose Log Out. It's totally fine to remove all of them. You can always relink your own computer later. When you're done, the only active session should be the one on your phone. If you were locked out and can't get into your chats at all, reclaim access right from your phone. Open WhatsApp, enter your phone number, and request a new SMS verification code. This is the official way to verify that you're the owner of the number tied to the account. When the 6-digit code arrives by text, do not share it with anyone. No friend, no stranger, no one claiming to be support. Type it into WhatsApp on your phone immediately. As soon as you enter that code, WhatsApp will automatically force log out any other device using your account, including a hacker's device. With access restored, it's time to add a critical layer of protection. Go to Settings, then Account, then two-step verification, and turn it on. This feature adds a second lock on your account so that even if someone tricks you into sharing a future SMS code, they still can't sign in. You'll be asked to create a 6-digit PIN. Choose one only you know and make it memorable but not obvious. Avoid simple patterns or anything tied to your birthday or address. Don't reuse a PIN you use elsewhere. If you write it down, keep it somewhere secure and private. WhatsApp will occasionally prompt you to confirm this PIN. That's normal and helps you remember it. That's it. You checked your linked devices and logged out anything suspicious, used a fresh verification code to kick out intruders, and turned on two-step verification with a unique PIN. Make a habit of glancing at linked devices now and then. And remember, never share your 6-digit SMS code or your PIN with anyone. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.